Welcome to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video I will show you how to crochet a beautiful cord. So make a slip knot and chain 4, 1 2 3 and 4, yarn over, go into this 4th stitch from the hook and work 3 double crochets together. That means after working 3 double crochets together you have 4 loops on the hook. So I will work all these 4 loops together. Again chain 3, yarn over, go into this stitch, the top of this cluster. I will work again 3 double crochets together, 1 2 and 3. That means 4 loops on the hook. Work all the loops together, chain 3, work 3 double crochets together, it's very easy but it looks so beautiful. You can use it as a card, as a bracelet, or a string for a bag or for headbands. It will be an ideal stitch. So chain 3, yarn over, go back into this space, pull up a loop, pull it through 2, yarn over, go into the same stitch again and pull it through, yarn over, go into the same space, pull up a loop, pull it through 2. You have 4 loops on the hook. We'll work all the loops together. So this is how it will look. I will work until I got my desired length. So I'm working into the same way. Just chain 3 into this space, work 3 double crochets together, 1 2 and 3 times. Please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. For any query, please ask me in comments. I will work in the same way. So this is how it will look. Chain 3, work 3 double crochets together, have 4 loops on the hook and pull it through all the loops together, chain 3. So this is how I will work again and again. So this is how my card will look. I hope you have enjoyed my tutorial. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.